What's the most valuable things you learned today and yesterday?
Yesterday, I think the most valuable thing that I learned was I should have a KPI evaluation more frequently, especially for the business. Today, probably the fact that KPI does not need to be a measurement of 25 different metrics and where you're not really acting on it. So now the way I think about it is that even if you're tracking 7 or maybe 10, but those 10 have real importance and value, then you're doing it right.
Would you recommend this workshop to others?
100%, so that they don't live in assumption like me.
Yes, thank you so much.